You flip over a heavy garden rock, and there they are, a frantic scatter of pincers and armored bodies rushing for the shadows. If you're like most people, your immediate instinct is to bring your shoe down hard. Most pest control guides will tell you exactly how to get rid of them. But entomologists and agricultural scientists see something else. Crushing that bug is actually one of the most expensive mistakes you can make in your garden. That single stomp destroys a dedicated predator of garden pests, a mother that grooms her young, and a folding wing system that researchers are still trying to understand. While you sleep, this insect is patrolling the soil, acting as a highly efficient nocturnal protector for your local ecosystem. The earwig coordinates a range of biological functions that are essential for the health of the backyard ecosystem, operating right under our feet. Look at the rear of the insect. In the natural world, biological symmetry is a universal standard. A perfectly balanced body plan almost always signals strong genetic fitness to a potential mate. Male earwigs break this rule completely. They develop highly asymmetrical pincers, called cerci, where one side is drastically larger and more curved than the other. This uneven shape looks like a birth defect, but it actually provides a distinct mechanical advantage. When males engage in intense territorial wrestling matches over food and mates, the insects with skewed cerci consistently defeat their symmetrical rivals. What appears to be a physical imperfection is actually the superior design for survival. In the earwig's environment, a lopsided body is better suited for close-quarters combat. Moving up the insect's back, we find a feature that debunks a centuries-old myth. Earwigs do not crawl into human ears to lay eggs. The Old English name, earwiga, actually comes from their anatomy. The insect was named for unfolded hindwings shaped remarkably like a human ear. Almost no one sees these wings, but when they fly, the wing expands outward, growing 10 times larger, the highest folding ratio in the animal kingdom. The mechanics are bizarre. Utilizing a bistable locking mechanism, the wing snaps fully open and locks into place for flight, then rapidly self-folds back into its compact shape, all without internal muscles. Traditional human origami models fail to explain how this works. Researchers at Purdue University and ETH Zurich are actively studying this exact folding pattern to understand the physics behind it. Aerospace engineers are attempting to replicate this rapid, muscle-free expansion. Their goal is to use the earwig's wing geometry to build highly compact, self-folding solar sails for space probes. The bug gardeners try to crush holds a mechanical folding system that mankind has yet to successfully replicate for space travel. If you have ever squashed an earwig, you probably noticed a foul yellowish-brown liquid left behind. That fluid is released from their scent glands, and it consists of two specific sulfur compounds, dimethyl sulfur disulfide and dimethyl trisulfide. Those exact same chemicals are naturally produced during organic decomposition. This scent serves as a chemical bluff. By manufacturing the smell of decay, the earwig convinces predators it is already dead and rotting. Beyond their chemical defenses, earwigs operate with highly specialized behavioral programming. By night, they hunt down aphids, mites, and cutworms with strict efficiency. This predatory habit has massive economic value. By clearing out soft-bodied pests, a healthy earwig population significantly reduces crop damage in large-scale commercial apple orchards. Yet these nocturnal hunters display surprisingly tender maternal instincts. A mother earwig carefully grooms her eggs, applying antifungal chemicals, and regurgitates food to feed her young, much like a bird. They also exhibit an extreme behavioral anomaly. An earwig will actively seek out the abandoned eggs of completely different mothers, bring them back to her nest, and raise them as her own. Adoption behavior among insects is almost unheard of. This insect combines the efficiency of a high-capacity predator with maternal behaviors that are almost non-existent in other insect species. If we zoom out to a macro view of our gardens, a troubling trend emerges. Earwig populations are currently in steep decline across Europe and North America. This drop is driven by widespread habitat loss, an increase in light pollution, and the heavy application of broad-spectrum insecticides. This chart shows the delayed ecological reaction that occurs when earwigs are removed. Because they simultaneously act as predators, decomposers, and soil aerators, their loss causes a cascading effect. The earwig population drops to 0, and for a while the system flatlines quietly. But 2 growing seasons later, the local ecosystem collapses, triggering a massive, sudden spike in aphid and pest populations. So the next time you overturn a garden rock, pause for a moment. Recognize the asymmetrical, origami-winged guardian standing in front of you. Put your shoe away and let the night shift do its work.